Hello, my name is Kim Sauer at SMT Nuremberg for EMSNow. I've got with me Mr. Jos Brehler from Totech.
Yes.
Jos, thank you very much for joining us today and for, I believe, having a brand new product that you're introducing here at the show. Tell us about that.
Yeah, we are showing a new big storage system where huge amounts of reels, trays and PCB can be stored into a low environment, so below 5%, and also with the whole MSL software around it. That is what we show, and we have great interest in it.
So how did that come about? Is it a diversity of different component sizes? Is it just something that is relevant to certain markets? Or how did you start developing that?
We are now 10 years developing the dry cabinet business, and we see that lots of people, lots of customers have huge stocking departments, which is not well organized. And by selling the dry tower, we can have an organized stock system, but not only stocking, also drying, but also more or less bringing the products, the reels, to the production floor, to the machinery with transport belts. We just have had 2 big orders this year. One is from Heidelberg Druck. It's a big company who spent over 800,000 euro, and it's really a major project with everything involved: MSL software, traceability. That's a unique system, and that will bring also other customers looking to this solution. The advantage is that by selling that system, people can save on people. So you can save at least 3 people in the company, and then the system, which costs of course money, can be earned back in a relatively short time. And the bigger companies see that and wants also to go that way.
And I believe that it's also quite innovative in the fact that it's not necessarily a piece of machinery that sits on the floor. I've heard that you've got some installations where it's actually above ground in the same area. So for customers that have relatively small floor space, which is actually quite an expensive part of any operation as well as staffing costs, it's a solution that seems to me quite innovative and amazing. So how does that?
Yeah, Totech is always a very innovative company.
Yeah.
And it's not only by doing that, but also by developing things like our dry unit. But this was a major project, and as you say, it costs a lot of space, costs money. And if you can find a way to bring it up and hang it on the ceiling with a good construction, and you can automate the whole system without people having there, and you can do it from your computer, and you can type in your production what you want to produce, and it takes out automatically over transport bands. But we will make a movie out of it and we will show it to the customers.
Excellent. Well, I look forward to that. So far we've got cost efficiency. We've got options for saving space or being more efficient with the space you've got. Is all of this something that is particularly relevant to the German market or European markets where space is at a premium? Is it different in Asia, or where do you see?
No, we see a huge potential at the moment everywhere.
Right.
What we started in, it's also a German-made product, so we start in Germany first. We get also the first installation installed. The system is not relatively new; it's already available in other medical applications. So there were already sold at least 300 of these systems, and we combine that system with our drying technology, and therefore you can bring it fast on the market because it's not a totally new development. But the first projects are of course very important to sell in Germany, to see how it works. But today we said also to the magazines, we spoke with EPP, we spoke with Productronic, that we are going to launch it now European-wide. That means we will start in Europe, Hungary, Czech Republic, that kind of countries. And then next year we will plan maybe US market. But we are also thinking of making a tour with a big truck and to go to Europe with the system, and then we go to the customer.
Yeah, like a roadshow.
Yeah, correct.
Oh, perfect. Well,
so there are lots of ideas.
Yeah. Well, that would be good. Bring the machine to the customer and let them see. So I suppose all of that will be highlighted on your website when you've got a schedule, a tour schedule. Totech on the road.
We just have a new website.
Yeah.
We have also a microsite specially made for the dry tower.
Okay.
And but that's a step what we're going to take.
Yeah.
And yeah, we hope for the best.
Okay.
We're very convinced about the system.
So here at SMT Nuremberg, it is the second day. What's been the feedback from customers so far?
Really great.
Yeah.
We could not stand in the hall. So many people were looking to the system, but it moves, and everything what moves is of course interesting. So we are very happy that we that take this decision. But for us, the show is really great. First day was a little bit less, but this day, as usual, the midday is always the best for us.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I wish you the best of luck for the rest of the two days of the show. And it sounds like a very good solution, and all the best with the introduction or further introduction as you grow those markets.
Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.
Yes.
Okay.
Excellent.
Bye.
Thank you very much.